In the intricate world of logistics, pallets are the unsung heroes. They are simple but key platforms, serving as the foundation for an efficient supply chain. Imagine a space without pallets. We would have products in chaos, wasted space, and skyrocketing costs. This is where wooden pallets take center stage. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks. Their role is vital. They facilitate the loading and unloading of goods swiftly and safely. Moreover, their customized or standardized design helps optimize space and cut costs. At DMD, exceptional quality is our hallmark. With operations adhering to international standards, our pallets are industry leaders in strength and durability. Neither pests nor humidity are a match for our wooden products. And how do we achieve this? Thanks to cutting-edge technology and a dedicated team. DMD has become synonymous with precision and efficiency, meeting the most rigorous timing and supply-demands challenges. We invite you to discover how pallets can be the driving force behind your supply chain. We offer top-quality pallets at DMD, crafted through meticulous processes and state-of-the-art technology. Contact us and take your logistical efficiency to unprecedented heights. DMD, the strength of wood, the promise of sustainability.